Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. How to pack a suitcase for business travel. Packing a suitcase for business travel can be a daunting task, especially when you need to strike a balance between professionalism, comfort, and efficiency. However, with proper planning and organization, you can ensure that your business travel is hassle-free and that you have everything you need for a successful trip. Choose the right suitcase. Start by selecting the appropriate suitcase for your trip. A carry-on suitcase is ideal for short business trips, as it allows you to avoid baggage claim and ensure your belongings are always with you. Look for a lightweight, durable, and well-organized suitcase with compartments and pockets to keep your items organized. Make a packing list. Create a detailed packing list to ensure you don't forget any essentials. Consider the length of your trip, the weather at your destination, and any scheduled events or meetings. Include items such as business attire, comfortable travel outfits, sleepwear, toiletries, electronics, and any necessary documents or materials. Pack business attire. Carefully pack your business attire to minimize wrinkles. Consider rolling or folding your clothing items neatly and utilizing packing cubes or garment bags. Pack a versatile selection of business attire, including suits, shirts, blouses, ties, belts, and appropriate footwear. Include comfortable travel outfits. In addition to your business attire, pack comfortable travel outfits for the journey and any downtime during your trip. Choose breathable fabrics and layers that can be easily adjusted based on the temperature. Pack toiletries and grooming essentials. Remember to pack your toiletries and grooming essentials in a clear, quart-sized bag to comply with airline regulations. Include items such as toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, hairbrush, and any necessary grooming products. Consider packing travel-sized products or decanting your preferred products into smaller containers. Don't forget electronics and chargers. Business travel often requires the use of various electronics, such as laptops, smartphones, tablets, and chargers. Pack these items securely and ensure you have the necessary adapters and power cords for your destination. Include important documents and materials. Gather all the necessary documents and materials you'll need for your business meetings or presentations. This may include contracts, proposals, presentations, notes, and any other relevant paperwork. Keep these items organized and easily accessible in a briefcase or portfolio. Pack a small bag for essentials. Consider packing a small bag or purse to carry your essentials during the trip, such as your wallet, passport, phone, chargers, and any necessary medications. This will help you avoid digging through your suitcase every time you need something. Roll or bundle your clothes. Rolling or bundling your clothes can help maximize space in your suitcase and minimize wrinkles. Roll t-shirts, pants, and other casual items, and bundle dress shirts, blouses, and suits using tissue paper or dry cleaning plastic. Utilize packing cubes and compartments. Packing cubes and compartments within your suitcase can help you stay organized and make it easier to find specific items. Separate your clothing items by category or activity, such as business attire, casual wear, and sleepwear. Pack versatile accessories. Include versatile accessories that can be mixed and matched with your business attire. A few well-chosen scarves, belts, or jewelry pieces can add variety to your outfits without taking up too much space. Consider laundry needs. If your business trip is longer than a few days, consider packing a small travel-sized laundry kit or plan to use laundry services at your hotel or destination. This will allow you to pack lighter and freshen up your clothes during the trip. Leave room for souvenirs or purchases. Leave some space in your suitcase for any souvenirs or purchases you may want to bring back from your trip. This will prevent overpacking and ensure you have room for any new items you acquire during your travels. Remember, efficient packing for business travel is an art that requires practice and personalization. By following these tips and tailoring your packing approach to your specific needs, you can ensure a smooth and stress-free business travel experience. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.